Hi everyone! In this video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Jeep Wrangler key fob. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just need a spare set. This procedure is a necessary procedure for all Jeep key fobs and transponder keys. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all key fobs and transponder keys. Before we start, we would really appreciate if you can like this video, and of course if you need any help you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you.
We're working on a 2019 Jeep Wrangler. In order to program the Wrangler keys, these are all proximity push to start. The connection for the bypass is back here behind the glove box. We really cut the key just for the door. It has no purpose for the ignition. As you can see, the procedure is complete. We programmed 2 new keys, and the bypass again was right here. The new Chryslers have a bypass cable that's required in order to not require the PIN code to be entered. And these are good to go. The buttons work. We're good to go. 2019 Jeep.
That's it. I hope you like this video and would really appreciate if you can give us the thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.